After this semester in this class, I have learned a lot about art, traditions, culture, but what I mainly get from this course was the understanding of the art and how it does not only belongs to something that is called for beautiful, but it's also to identify people, to protest against some things. Um, I think that each culture may have its own art and that may represent sometimes this culture. Also, I learned this during this semester that multiculturalism is very important to understand the other cultures, to accept the other cultures, and sometimes to live with other cultures. It's sometimes hard for some people. Sometimes is not as easy as it looks, but when people get to accept multiculturalism, to accept the other cultures, the we can like learn from each other and do a greater good for everybody. Also, with the aspect of art, I think that art has affected through history in the society a lot with revolutionary movements and all that things. For example, the all the paintings of Da Vinci, the sculptures of Miguel Angel. But the one that I remember the most is the one of David Alfaro Siqueiros, that is del porfirismo a la revolución, los revolucionarios. This mural, this painting, is representing that people are the ones that make the change, that we cannot expect to things to happen just by time, and that we can make the difference. And it was like calling to all the people to join the revolution so that Mexico could be a free country from Porfirio Diaz in that time. But also, what I most appreciate from this class was that I finally understand that art has a meaning much farther than just a good looking piece. And I think that especially paintings are very detailed and have like a lot of specific meanings that most of the time we don't see or we don't understand. But I think that for the last years, all the years of revolutions, the art was very important because it was a very effective way of communicating. But I don't think that art will work the same nowadays because we are in a modern time, unless the art modernizes itself also, so that they can be compatible with technology and all digitalization. But I really I really liked this class, and I think I learned a lot that now I can appreciate a lot of things that I have never appreciated.